Who uses browser fingerprinting? Advertising networks use it to track users across websites for behavioral advertising. Analytics companies use it to identify unique visitors. Some websites use it for fraud detection, identifying suspicious patterns of behavior. Banks and e-commerce sites sometimes use it as part of security measures. The technique isn't inherently evil. Like most technology, it can serve legitimate or problematic purposes depending on how it's used. The concern is that it happens invisibly, without user consent or control. The privacy implications. Fingerprinting undermines user control over tracking. When you clear cookies or use privacy settings, you're expressing a preference not to be tracked. Fingerprinting ignores these preferences, tracking you anyway. It also makes it difficult to separate your identities. Maybe you want to keep your work browsing separate from personal browsing, or use different personas for different online communities. Fingerprinting can link these activities if they come from the same browser on the same computer. How privacy tools fight back. Tor browser. Designed specifically to resist fingerprinting. It standardizes many attributes so all Tor browser users look similar. Window sizes are standardized, fonts are limited, and many fingerprinting techniques are blocked or spoofed. Brave browser implements fingerprinting protection by randomizing certain values and blocking fingerprinting scripts. Each session gets slightly different values, preventing consistent tracking. Firefox privacy features. Firefox has added various anti-fingerprinting measures, including blocking third-party tracking cookies by default and implementing protections against canvas fingerprinting. Browser extensions. Privacy-focused extensions like uBlock Origin, Privacy Badger, and NoScript can block fingerprinting scripts, though this can sometimes break website functionality. The arms race. Fingerprinting versus privacy protection is an ongoing arms race. As browsers implement protections, trackers develop new techniques. As those techniques become known, privacy tools develop countermeasures. This cycle continues indefinitely. Recent examples include battery status API fingerprinting, now restricted, accelerometer fingerprinting on mobile devices, and increasingly sophisticated combinations of data points to create unique identifiers. The paradox of uniqueness. Here's an interesting problem. If you use too many privacy protections, you might make yourself more unique and thus more easily fingerprintable. This is called the paradox of privacy tools. The solution is for privacy tools to make many users look the same, rather than making individuals invisible. This is why Tor browser doesn't let you install additional extensions or change settings that would make your configuration unique. The goal is anonymity through similarity, not uniqueness. Visit the link in the description below for more information.